The greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is a natural process that keeps the Earth warm enough for life. Without it, our planet would be too cold for humans, animals, and plants to survive. However, human activities have made the greenhouse effect stronger, causing the Earth to become warmer than it should be. This warming is called global warming, and it is a big problem for our planet. In this video, I will explain what the greenhouse effect is, the reasons for its increase, ways to reduce it, and future innovations that can help avoid its harmful effects. What is the greenhouse effect? The greenhouse effect is the way the Earth stays warm. The sun sends light and heat to the Earth. Some of this heat goes back into space, but some stays on Earth. This happens because of special gases in the air called greenhouse gases. These gases act like a blanket around the Earth, trapping some of the heat and keeping the planet warm enough for life. The main greenhouse gases are carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, chlorofluorocarbons, water vapor. These gases are part of the Earth's atmosphere. Without them, the Earth would be much colder, about 33 degrees Celsius colder than it is now. This is why the greenhouse effect is important for life. But in the last 100 years, humans have added more greenhouse gases to the air. This has made the Earth's blanket thicker, trapping more heat and making the planet warmer than it should be. Reasons for the greenhouse effect: burning fossil fuels. When we burn oil, coal, and natural gas for energy, we release carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases into the air. Deforestation. Trees take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. Agriculture and livestock. Farms, especially those with lots of animals like cows and sheep, produce methane, another greenhouse gas. Industries and factories, making things like steel, cement, and chemicals, produces a lot of greenhouse gases. Factories and industries are big sources of pollution. Transportation. Cars, buses, trucks, and airplanes that use petrol or diesel give off carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases. More vehicles mean more pollution. All these activities add extra greenhouse gases to the air, making the Earth's blanket thicker and causing global warming. How to reduce the greenhouse effect? We can all help reduce the greenhouse effect by changing the way we live and work. Here are some simple ways to help. Save energy at home. Turn off lights and unplug devices when not in use. Use energy-saving LED bulbs and appliances. Insulate your home to keep it warm in winter and cool in summer. Set your thermostat a few degrees lower in winter and higher in summer. Use renewable energy. Install solar panels or wind turbines to make clean energy. Support green energy programs from your electricity company. Use solar lights and other solar-powered devices. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Use less plastic and buy products with less packaging. Recycle paper, glass, plastic, and metal. Compost food waste to reduce landfill pollution. Change how you travel. Walk, bike, or use public transport instead of driving. Carpool with friends or coworkers. Keep your car in good shape to use less fuel and pollute less. Eat more plant-based foods. Eat more fruits, vegetables, and grains. Juice, meat, and dairy, which produce a lot of greenhouse gases. Buy local food to cut down on transport pollution. Save water. Fix leaks and use water-saving devices. Take shorter showers and turn off the tap when brushing your teeth. Use rainwater for gardening. Plant trees. Plant trees in your yard or community. Support groups that protect forests and plant new trees. Each small action helps reduce the amount of greenhouse gases in the air and slows down global warming. Future innovations to avoid the greenhouse effect. Scientists and engineers are working on new ideas to help stop the greenhouse effect from getting worse. Here are some exciting future innovations. Carbon capture and storage. This technology captures carbon dioxide from power plants and factories before it goes into the air. Artificial intelligence and big data, AI and computers can help us measure pollution, find better ways to save energy, and predict weather changes. Green hydrogen. When made with renewable energy, it does not produce greenhouse gases. Distributed renewable energy. This means using solar panels and wind turbines in many places, not just big power plants. Space-based solar power. Scientists are working on putting solar panels in space to collect energy from the sun and send it to Earth. Carbon offsetting. People and companies can pay to plant trees or support clean energy projects to make up for the pollution they cause. Smart buildings. New buildings can use smart technology to save energy. For example, smart windows can keep buildings cool in summer and warm in winter, using less heating and air conditioning. All these innovations can help us reduce the greenhouse effect and protect our planet for the future. Conclusion. The greenhouse effect is a natural process that keeps the Earth warm and full of life. But human activities have made it stronger, causing global warming and climate change. The main reasons are burning fossil fuels, cutting down trees, farming, industry, and transportation. We can all help reduce the greenhouse effect by saving energy, using clean energy, recycling, traveling wisely, eating more plant-based foods, saving water, and planting trees. Scientists are also working on new ideas like carbon capture, green hydrogen, and space-based solar power to help us fight climate change. By working together and using both simple actions and new technology, we can protect our planet for ourselves and future generations.